Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduTube Free. If you want to become a web designer or want to make your own website, so this video is for you because in this video session I'm going to discuss HTML step by step. After completing HTML from basics to advanced, you will learn CSS and JavaScript as well. So please stay tuned with us. Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn a new tag in HTML, that is font tag. And after discussing the font tag, we will see the attributes of font tag. Okay, so come to very first, what is font tag or font element? As you know very well, website is a collection of web pages that we have already discussed. Website is a collection of web pages. I have already given an example of book also. Similarly, a book is a collection of similar web pages. Similarly, website is a collection of similar kind of web pages. Okay. And if you talk about the web page, a web page contain any kind of information, any kind of information. It may be a text, images, links like navigation links, okay, media files, audio files, and video files. Third point, the term font. What is the meaning of font basically? The font term is related to the text. Which kind of information? Textual information. Text means here I am talking about the textual information. The term font is related to the text used in web page, or you can say that in website, because website is a collection of web pages and each and every web page contain text, images, links, media files, and here I am talking about the text only. Okay, so here I am talking about the textual information. Okay, textual information I'm talking about. And if you want to change the property like color, size, style of the text, you can change with the help of which tag? Font tag. So what is the purpose of font tag? By using font tag, you can change the textual information. You can change the color of text, you can change the size of the text, you can change the style of the text. Means you can change the text according to your need in your web page, right? So that's why we are using font tag. Okay, you can write font tag in caps letter or small letter, because as you know very well, HTML5 is not a case sensitive language, so we can write in caps letter or small letter, doesn't matter. It means we can write HTML in small or in caps, or even small or caps both. So all threes are equal. Okay, so doesn't matter you are writing in caps letter or small letter, doesn't matter because you are using HTML5, right? And as you know very well, font tag is a part of body tag. Okay, as you know very well, there is a HTML tag, there is a hierarchy actually. This is first tag, HTML tag. After that you have to define the body tag, the body of the web page. It contains any kind of information, textual, images, links, media files. And here I am talking about the textual information. You want to change the textual information according to your need in a web page, so that's why I'm using font tag. So it is also known as nesting. It is also known as nesting of tags. Nesting of tags. Clear? And now we are going to discuss, as you know very well, what is property. Property is also known as attribute. So font tag contains three types of attributes, or you can say that property basically, like size, color, and face. Property, suppose that I'm giving an example. Suppose that there is a fan. So fan has some property, some attribute, like fan has different color, different wings, three wings, four wing fan. So these are the properties. If I'm talking about the pen, a pen have different property, black pen, blue pen. It means color is a property. Okay, so now we are going to discuss font attributes. Attributes means properties. Okay, so properties. Okay, So first property is color property. This attribute is used to set or change the color for your web page text. It means this is your web page, suppose that, and whatever the text written inside this web page, you can change the color of it. Okay, by using this syntax. This is the tag name, font, tag name, space. After that, this is the attribute name, or you can say that the property name. Okay, and this is the attribute value. Here you can write color name like red, green, blue, or you can also write the color code. Okay, in the previous video session I had discussed about the color code. You can go through. Okay, by clicking on this I button which is showing on the top. Now I'm going to discuss the second attribute, size attribute. This attribute is used to change the size of the text in web page. So this is the web page. Suppose that this is the text. Okay, and if you want to change the size, means if you want to increase the size of the text or decrease the size of the text, you can change, you can do, you can increase the size, you can decrease the size. And there is a important note, the maximum size you can put 8, that is the maximum value, and the minimum value is 1. Okay, here you can put value from 1 to 8. So 1 is the minimum value. After that you can put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is the maximum value. So it is in increasing order. Suppose that you are giving the value of the size is 1. So it is the smallest in nature. It means smallest size. After that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So size will increase in this order. Okay. So this is your tag name, attribute, and tag name. This is the property name, and this is the value of this attribute or property. Now I'm going to discuss the third attribute, that is face attribute. This attribute is used for styling purpose. Okay, user can change the font style like Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, etc. It is related to the MS Word document. There is an option, from there you can choose or select the font style whatever you want to insert. Okay, so similarly if you want to change the style of the text in a web page, you can change by using this syntax. Font, this is the tag name, this is the attribute name, and this is the value. Here you can put Calibri, or you can give any other name, Arial or Times New Roman, any one of them. Okay, if you don't know the style name, you can go to the MS Word, and there you can see the style name and copy and paste it here. Okay, so that's all about the font attributes. Now we are going to see the practicals of font tag and its related attribute in the practical session. Okay friends, this is your practical session. In this session I'm going to implement the font tag and its attribute. This is my HTML folder. Now I'm going to open VS Code, Control N, and first I'm going to save my file. My file name is font.html, that is the extension. Now I'm writing HTML, next body tag, and next font tag. Okay, now first we are using size attribute. I'm giving this value of size is 1. Okay, and the content I'm writing, this is my first text in web page. Okay, now I'm going to close the font tag, and after that I'm going to close the body tag, and yeah, okay, and the last I have to close HTML tag, right? So whatever the text written inside the font tag, the attribute related to the font tag will apply on it. Okay, so I have written font size is equal to 1, and which is to be applied on this line. This is my first text in web page. So I'm going to run it after saving my program. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh it. Yeah, so this is showing this is my first web page because I have given the font size is 1. Now I'm going to increase my font size to Control S, and again reload it. So you can see the font size is increased. Again I'm giving the font size value, suppose that I'm giving 5, and Control S and reload it. My font size is increased again. So maximum size you can give 8. Okay, minimum size is 1, and till maximum size, that is 8. From 1 to 8 you can give. Okay, so that is the maximum limit of the size of the text. Okay, Control S, reload it, and after that if you are giving 9 or 10 or 11, whatever number, it will remain same. Okay, after reloading, my text size is not increasing. It means, so that is the maximum size limit. Okay, and minimum size limit is 1. So according to your this is your Word file, you can see here. So that is the minimum is what, 8 hai. Here I'm writing HTML, so that is the HTML size, and I'm going to select it, and after that I'm increasing the size value 9 and 10, 11. Similarly you can increase the size by giving the size value, and the maximum size you can give in HTML, that is 8, and minimum is 1. Okay, now I'm going to use another attribute, that is color attribute. Color I'm giving green. So whatever the content written inside the font tag, so this is the content, and I'm just going to align it. I'm just going to arrange in nesting order. HTML tag is closed in last. Above HTML body tag will close, and above the body tag font tag will close. Okay, and the text written inside the font tag, that is, this is my first text in web page. So color will be changed. Its color will be green value. Okay, so that is the main part. Okay, now I'm going to Control S, save it. Again I'm going to reload it. Here you can see the font color is changed. Okay, again I'm going to increase the size so that you can see size. You can give 2 or more attribute of particular tag in a same line also, so no need to worry about it. If we are writing in a same line, we can put more than one attribute in same line. Okay, so again after writing the size attribute, I'm going to reload it. My text size is increased, that is the maximum size, that is 8. Okay, now I'm going to change the style by giving face value. You can see in Word also, that is MS Word, these are the face value, these are the theme fonts. Here the heading is written theme fonts. So these are the styling. Suppose that I'm choosing Calibri, so you have to write Calibri. Okay, so I'm just going to write here Calibri, Control S, and reload. So you can see that my text font style is changed. Okay, now again I'm giving another font style in face attribute, that is Times New Roman. Control S, and again we have to reload it. Yeah, so you can see the font style is again changed. So by choosing these three attributes, you can change the color of the text, you can change the size of the text, and you can change the style of the text. Okay class, thank you. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है और आपको ये महसूस होता है कि मैंने इसके लिए काफ़ी मेहनत करी है और ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल, सो दैट जितने भी बच्चे हैं जो एचटीएमएल ट्यूटोरियल पूरा अच्छे से स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक सीखना चाहते हैं, वो इसको अच्छे से सीख सकें। और अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं। मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स से रिलेटेड जो भी रिप्लाई होगा मैं उसमें दे दूंगा। एंड एट द लाइक टू से थिंग, प्लीज डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।